Hey everyone! Due to popular demand, I'm trying to do a tamale tutorial, and I've included the recipe for both the masa, which is the dough, and the filling, which in this case is a ground beef chili Colorado. But I will say you can put almost anything into a tamale. You can do a green sauce, you can do a red sauce, you can do chicken, you can do pork, you can do beef, you can even do vegetarian tamales. So, this is the part that's a little tricky though, and it is rolling the tamales, so I'm gonna see if I can demonstrate for you. So these are the tamale hojas. They are just corn husks, and they have been softened and soaked and washed. So I'm going to show you how to roll one. So that's just a little bit of corn fiber on there. So if you can spread a frosting on a cake, you can spread a tamale. Basically, it's the same concept. You put a generous amount of the tamale dough, the masa, onto the corn husk. I usually do about a 4-inch by about a 6-inch tamale. You can make them bigger, smaller, fatter, thinner, depending on your preference. You do it at about the same consistency and the same thickness that you would do generous frosting on a cake. Now, in this particular instance, I refrigerated the ground beef filling overnight because it congeals. It just makes it easier to work with when you fill the tamale. So you put a generous dollop in the center of the tamale, and the point is to roll the masa completely all the way around the tamale dough. So you just basically roll it up, you pinch the bottom and you fold it up, and then this is a trick that I learned from my mom, to wrap it in the wax paper, and I just get the pre-folded ones from Costco. They come out like tissue paper, and then you wrap the tamale up in the paper, and the reason for that is because when you stand them up in the tamale cooker, they will heat, they will expand, they will steam up, and this way you don't have the filling coming out of the hoja and globbing up on the bottom of the tamale cooker. You keep it inside the tamale. And this here is a tamale cooker. They come in all sizes. So this is a large, pretty large one. They have a steamer on the bottom, which comes out. You fill the bottom portion with water, and then this sits on a shelf. And then you stack the tamales inside, and I'll show you how to do that after it's all done. So I wait until I have a cooker full of them. So you can see here I've rolled a few. I'll roll one more. Pick a nice hoja here. Again, you take a dollop of your masa, you roll it onto the hoja or the leaf. Again, it's about the consistency of a generous amount of frosting on a cake. You take filling, put it inside, you wrap the dough completely around, wrap the leaf, fold it over on the bottom, and then wrap it in the paper. Voila! Takes a while if you're doing it by yourself. It's way more fun with a group of people, drinking margaritas. Have fun in quarantine, guys. Find something good to do, find something you like to do, and call me if you have any